Hello guys, I'm Abraham Vasquez, Operations Manager here at the KBHCCD Convention Center.
Hello everyone, my name is Jay McCreary and I'm the Facility Manager here at the Center. What we started doing at the Center is we bought this Atp Tester, which allows us to measure bacteria on surfaces throughout the Center, both pre and post disinfection procedures. We have to take this Q-tip and swab it in 10 millimeters square. Then we take this, we put it back into the test tube, and we take this solution and we break it as this example is, and we shake it up for 10 seconds. Once shaken up, we put it into the Atp tester itself. This will allow, it takes 15 seconds and it will show us actually how much live bacteria and germs are on the surfaces. Generally what we're looking for a passing score is anywhere from 0 to 10. 11 to 30 is considered fail. Anything above 30 is considered really bad and we definitely need to address immediately. On this current surface, we're at a 34. That tells us we need to disinfect properly and more efficiently. So we are now going to use the Victory backpack sprayers that will allow us to disinfect properly and a lot quicker for you guys. Here we are using the backpack sprayer, and as you can see, it sends out a mist that is supposed to cover the whole entire surface, which will include wrap around the legs and the chair itself. So now we will just repeat the swabbing method in a 10 centimeters square. Wait 15 seconds again. We have scored a 1, and that is exactly what we're looking for everywhere at the Center on all surfaces.